Have you ever wondered what the Secretlab Omega Softweave chair is all about? Then stick around for my full overview and thoughts here on the PI Media channel. Before starting with the unboxing experience, I want to mention that I previously owned a cloth version of the entry-level DX Racer Formula and afterwards a pure leather Vertgear SL2000 gaming chair. I sold both of these chairs because they either were too uncomfortable or cheap feeling. I also did not like their gamery look. I hope I can give you guys a good insight of how the Secretlab chair compares and differs from other racing style seats. After opening the box, you will find a big welcome cardboard with useful assembly information, the glossy stickers for quality control. The unboxing starts with the separately sealed backrest followed by the head pillow and the memory foam back pillow. That blue stitching just looks awesome. The wheelbase is made of aluminum and behind that you will find the seat base together with pre-assembled 4D armrests. Next to the main components sits a Secretlab accessory box. It contains 2 adjustment handles, 5 rubber casters, a hydraulic cover, 2 side covers, screws with 1 spare part each and an Allen key. Lastly, you will find the multifunctional tilt mechanism safely packed in a separate segment. I don't want to bore you with the assembly, so I kept it as short as possible. If you want to see more about that topic, check out the video from Secretlab down in the description. I started with the wheelbase, inserted all 5 casters, flipped it around and installed the piston together with the cover. Then I took the seat base, screwed in the backrest and the side covers, removed one of the million safety warnings, put the chair on its face, attached the tilt mechanism and lastly connected the wheel part with the seat. 28 seconds. Easy. In reality, it should take you something around 20 minutes. Now to the interesting part. I don't want to repeat things you can find on the website and I want to make clear that I did not get any discount or anything else for making this video. Most reviews I find on the internet give an overly hyped and one-sided perspective and that is what I'm trying to make different. My goal is to give you, the viewers, the best overview as possible by pointing out all the pros and cons I found to help you make your decision. First to the cons. Out of the box I found the aluminum base to have an uneven finish. It seems like there are little spots in the paint. I might be a bit nitpicky about this, though I think it's noteworthy. Next up did I encounter that the Softweave material has a strange chemical smell after letting it sit a few hours in my office. I contacted the support to further investigate on this and they claimed that I am the first person with this problem. They immediately sent replacement parts without wanting to have mine back first, which is awesome. But the new ones had the same issue. A few weeks later I can confirm that airing the chair out or simply using it for some time solves this issue. The smell certainly disappears. Racing chairs are a topic of its own and often mixed with gaming. The Secretlab Omega shows that this doesn't need to be the case. The box doesn't say anything about gaming anywhere and the overall look of the chair is racing inspired but noble. No ugly seatbelt cutouts in the neck area and, for my taste, no overly ugly branding or product design. Everything about the chair looks premium. The racing shape comes with some drawbacks concerning comfort as this is not made for the best ergonomics. I still enjoy sitting in this chair a lot. One of the best features entry-level racing chairs don't have is the lockable tilt mechanism. You can set this chair up in something like 0G mode and especially enjoy controller games like a boss. I use this feature very often. Another nice thing about this chair is its armrests. I can either put them below or above my desk and use them to support my arms however I like. The level of adjustability is insane and they don't even feel cheap with all these axes of movement. What people discuss the most about is the firmness of Secretlab chairs and the Softweave material in comparison to PU leather. I can't confirm the chairs being as hard as a plank. The seat is on the firmer side on the base and rather stiff at the backrest. My butt never started hurting, even during long editing sessions like when I was producing this video. The Softweave material feels really nice and soft. It appears to be durable and breathable. The DX Racer in comparison had way thinner and lower quality material, and the PU leather of the Vertgear chair caused some sweaty moments during summer. On top of that, it was more uncomfortable to sit on for sure. I would go with cloth material any day. Quality-wise, I would classify the Secretlab chair as among the best I have ever seen. The tilt mechanism has no play and sounds well put together. Same applies to the rocking mechanism. Take a listen. All stitches are perfectly executed, all materials look super nice, especially the suede material around the corner of the seat. Even all packaging says quality inspected everywhere. As far as I experienced, quality and customer support has extremely high priority for the company. To wrap things up, is this chair worth buying? If you look for a super comfy seat that relieves your back pain, probably no. But if you want to have something far better than from the local furniture store, definitely. Higher end office chairs are around $200, true ergonomic chairs begin at $500 and more. The Secretlab Omega sits right in the middle and offers excellent customer support and good quality. Overall, I'd give this chair 7 out of 10 for value, 8 for quality because of the smell, a 10 for appearance because I think that this chair is the best looking racing seat on the market right now, and 7 for comfort. Thanks to everyone for watching this video and see you next time.